What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear outside door handle on this 2001 BMW 325 Xi. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description, head over to 1AAuto.com. Open the door. Just going to grab a straight blade pocket screwdriver. Just take this little trim piece off, just a little cover, just a little rubber cover. We're going to take a hex key, number 4, it's 4mm, and there's a bolt or a screw right there. You go in at that angle, loosen this up. As we're loosening this up, this cover right here is going to come loose, so keep wiggling it back and forth. All right, make sure that's unthreaded all the way, and slide this out. It's a little bit of a struggle, so you can use a trim tool. Just get underneath here. Just be careful not to scratch the paint. There we go. Pull that off, slide that out of the way. Once that cover is off, then you can actually there's a screw in there that you're going to use a T15 driver. It's easier to use a driver than actual bits because you'll be able to get in there. And you're going to go over here. You're going to loosen this up. It's kind of a reverse thread. As I loosen it, the pin is going to go in. It's going to loosen up, and then you'll be able to slide the handle just like this, and then grab the handle and slide it outwards. Take the door handle, we want to slide this into this side of the door, right here first. With that in, and we can position this over here. Make sure you have the gaskets on, especially if you're replacing the door handle. Line this up, slide that like that. Take the T15 driver. You're going to slide it in the hole down here. And then you're going to turn it clockwise, which is actually going to pull that pin back through the door handle. Not too tight, you don't want to break anything. You can recheck the door handle, make sure it's working. You can actually close the door, try it. That is working properly. Now take this cover, slide this back in position, just like that. Take the hex key, line up the screw. Push that down, and then just snug this up. That's good. Take this little plug, put it back in position, you're good to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.